So this is a decomposition, or my idea of a decomposition for cows and bulls. So the whole program there being at the top, cows and bulls game, and I think these are the things that you probably need to do. So getting the 4-digit random number, and a subtask for that would be getting a single random number in order to make that up. Get the guess from the user. So we're just going to use some kind of input for that to get the guess. And a subtask for that is counting the guesses, because we need to know how many guesses the users had. So when they've made a guess, then we can count it. Checking bulls and cows. So I've split that up into 3 tasks. Checking for bulls, that's a bull being where a number's in the right position and it's the right number in the right position. Checking for cows, so where a number is the correct number but it's in the wrong position. And then outputting a message to the user. So we need to tell the user how many bulls and how many cows they've got. So we're not going to tell them which numbers are bulls and which numbers are cows. We're just going to say 1 bull and 2 cows, for example. And we probably need to check for a win at some stage as well. So if all the numbers are in the same position, in the right position, so if they're all bulls, then we're checking the win. And again, after that, we'll output a message to the user so that they know what they're doing. So you could probably think of each one of these as a separate definition, or something like a separate definition. So getting the 4-digit random number could be a definition that uses another definition. So that's going to be a function and another function, etc., that is going to use this one. Counting the guesses is probably, you're not going to need a definition really for that. It's going to be part of something else, but you know, in theory you could if you wanted to. Checking bulls and checking cows, I would probably do them as 2 separate functions. You could do them as just one, but I would probably do them as 2 different Python definitions if I was doing it like that. So that's a decomposition of the problem.